Arrive in style with this Kia 2020 Sorento LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 185 horsepower, 2.4L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.